Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of The Villainous Heroine. It's normal for me to develop a Yandere heroine, chapter 35. So here it is. Let's read the story. Rather than investigating the truth, the student's parents would rather you drop out of the school. You know, Imperial College has a special nature. Most of the students' parents hold important positions in the Empire. Right now, Xiaoyang, she was really in trouble. Parents' joint protest is a very troublesome thing. Right now, the principal is trying to explain her about the possibilities. Right now, parents' protest, board of directors, isn't this a flat? It will be rebuilt later. Well, right now, you need to think wisely so she can able to escape from this chaos. The middle of the game because of the target competition between the old and new faction due to the exposure of her star power. Right now, Xiaoyang, she was thinking hard. What is the possible way? How she can escape from this problem? It looked like it was really difficult. Well, for now, in order to get Lu, both the old and new factions secretly attacked Lu, causing other students to be injured. In order to avoid responsibility, the two parties threw dirty water on each other. Lu also suffered greater harm as a result. Well, it turns out Lu, two parties want her power, that's why they're fighting for her. But right now, at this time, male protagonists representing all forces appeared. Well, it turns out the male protagonists are going to show up just to save Lu. Well, who do you think? Who is it? Right now, there's someone going to save her. You will choose one of them to go deeper into the flat. Oh, it means that it's really troublesome for her. So, who's gonna choose? Tarju? Is she going to leave Xiaoyang? In other words, Lu encountered so many bad things, such as a silly plan to push the CP line. Well, right now, she was thinking hard. The college has always been based on the will. The students are very grateful to you for your life-saving actions yesterday. The principal is praising her, but it seems that she might really expelled. So I want to hear what do you think about transferring to another school? Well, this is trouble. So, Tarju also can transfer to the other school. Xiaoyang said to them, I do not want to go. A lot of bad things could happen if I was exposed in this world. How could I leave? This is trouble. She really needs to think hard. But is the decision to stay is the right one? Now, she is not convinced to herself whether she remember what happened. Tarju that she really hurts her. She said to herself, although I'm the one who hurts Tarju. And I really guarantee that this won't happen again. Well, Xiaoyang, it really keeps bothering her to herself. But once I think about leaving her, I feel breathless. Now she is grasping her hand. Probably for her, it was really troublesome. Maybe you still don't know the current situation. The parents from all works of the life have objections to you transferring to another school. The best choice. The principal asking her, but it seems that Xiaoyang, she was really convinced she don't want to transfer herself to another school. If you choose to stay, we will ensure your safety on the campus, although you are also required to cooperate, taking some measures such as personal supervision, magic evidence search, soul examination. But outside of the school, we cannot guarantee your safety. Now, the principal is trying to deceive her. Or maybe she want to try to get her eliminated. Maybe you just go to the store to buy medicinal materials, go shopping, or even admire the flowers on the road. They will try their best to cause you to encounter accidents. Well, maybe the principal is right until you voluntarily leave. Well, it seems that it's just really scary. Think about it. Most of the parents will go after her. Even so, do you want to still to stay? Mr. Sherman, this behavior of intimidating students is not very elegant. The man said to the principal. But right now, Xiaoyang said to the two of them. It was very good, but she was still convinced she don't want to transfer. Well, as my Jiang Yang, did I make my meaning clear? This is the stake for your life. Although I can only meet you like this now, I'm not kidding. Man said to them. But still, Xiaoyang, understand, there will be a people watching me to prevent me from hurting others, right? Well, it was clearly to Xiaoyang. She really needs to watch herself. Or maybe Starju, she might really help to watch her. I accept. Brother, you can get it. This way, I can stay with her with peace of mind. Well, this is sweet. At least, she was thinking about Starju. Other forces' attention is on me, so they won't hurt you. That's great. Well, she really baited herself. That's why right now, the principal seems surprised. Part of the life and death so great. Scramble. You've said so much. Do you really understand? No, the chairmans want her to answer. But right now, that's it. Just another way. Chairman convincing is not applicable to her. Even though, right now, doesn't matter to Xiaoyang. Sir, are you there? Come in. Well, it seems that the chairman is on the limits. Watch and help Xiaoyang. Well, maybe it was right. Sir, yes, he has already arrived at the academy at this time. But what is she doing? Shouldn't be the cartoon. Well, it turns out this man is one of the protagonists. Will be chosen. Starju. Chairman, Mr. Roland. Well, he was greeting the chairman. But right now, what's the meaning of this? Walter Wilson, the son of Grand Duke Wilson, grew up under the borders since he was a child, has a rich practical experience. He will be your supervisors from now on. Oh, it turns out he will be partnered by this man. Nice meeting you. Sure enough, however, a supervisor should be the flat after Lou made the choice. Right now, she was thinking hard again. It is really early to have a bug feeling since Miller came out. Well, it turns out like a premonition and it's coming through fast. Flat that seems to be exposed is slowly transferred to me. Well, right now, how can she escape from this? It was really hard trouble. Another trouble now came through a double trouble. It's strange. Will the repercussions of the world also lead to the transfer of the protagonist event? Well, it seems that it was really happening. Really came true. But why is me? Maybe it's about Starju. I disagree. Xiaoyang is mine. Starju came in. Now she was declaring Xiaoyang is mine. Maybe she want to volunteer to watch her. Looking at this girl, she really flans. Watch Xiaoyang. Well, she's really jealous, right? Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!